Kigezi College Butobere alumni officially launched the Siniya Academic Fund during a ceremony commemorating Siniya Day at the school grounds. This initiative aims to support academically gifted students who struggle to afford school fees, ultimately enhancing the school's enrollment and academic performance. The Siniya Alumni Forum SAF chairperson, Council Elvis Twenda, highlighted the fund's purpose, emphasizing the need to assist students who excel but cannot pay their school fees. This initiative is expected to attract more students and improve the overall academic performance of the school.
This has been work in progress, and we decided now to revive the alumni. We started chapters, we even went up to Kigali and opened a chapter there. The account was opened and people started depositing their money. We are letting this into the public for them to know that the academic fund is there. We knew I would oblige, so that makes it 3.6 a year into the academic fund. However, I will make it 5 million Uganda shillings. Launch on behalf of the chairman into the academic fund. Ladies and gentlemen, the academic fund is hereby launched officially.
Council Elvis also discussed the various challenges facing the school, particularly its deteriorating infrastructure that requires renovation but lacks sufficient funding. He stressed that the school is in urgent need of financial support to address these issues.
We have had a challenge with the renovation drive or exercise of this school. We did our part as staff and did whatever it takes to ensure that Kigezi College Butobere is renovated. However, along the way, we saw a letter that was stopping the renovation exercise. As you can see, the school is not in good shape. But we would like to appeal to government to ensure that this exercise is concluded. Because in as much as we are streamlining to bring students struggling and pushing to bring students to the school needs to be habitable.
Moses Jomurigendo Ntahobadi, chairman of the Board of Governors, addressed the trend of private schools recruiting intelligent students from Kigezi College Butobere, often by offering bursaries. He expressed that the establishment of the Siniya Academic Fund aims to encounter this practice, which has contributed to a decline in enrollment and academic performance. The celebrations also served as a rallying call for alumni to take action in restoring the school's legacy. Efforts include providing career guidance to students and making contributions to various causes rather than solely relying on government support.
About the academic fund. We launched this academic fund because every time we would have the best students in Senior 1, Senior 2, Senior 3 or Senior 5. These private schools would come and buy them, or they would steal them. And stealing them means they would give them scholarships. They would convince the parents that Butobere would not give you the best grades. So these students would go to these other schools and pass. And whenever they would pass, they would say they are the ones who have made it possible. Yet these are actually nurtured by Kigezi College Butobere. So to stop this kind of nonsense, we say no. We also have the capacity to raise some bursaries for these students. And that's why we said no. Because the past 3 years, when you look at the results of most of the schools, the private schools here, you'll find that if some of them are students of this school who are taken Senior 3 and Senior 5. So we said, no, this has to stop.
Head teacher Justice Masco expressed optimism about the school's future, noting that the management has achieved peace and stability within the school community, which will soon reflect in academic excellence. He acknowledged the alumni's contributions as vital to restoring the school's success and glory.
I'm proud to announce the great improvement in students' discipline, orderliness, and respect for one another in the school. Creating a positive and respectful school environment is essential for fostering a conducive learning atmosphere and promoting a sense of community among students. The dedication of both students and staff in nurturing these values is truly commendable and contribute to the overall success of our school.
Kabale District Resident District Commissioner Godfrey Nyakauma, officiating at the function, emphasized the importance of discipline for academic success. He stated that the government is committed to rehabilitating traditional schools, including Kigezi College Butobere. He mentioned that the funds have been allocated for the school's rehabilitation last year, but were returned due to unresolved issues.
Government is playing its part by making sure that the traditional schools are all rehabilitated. Already, this school they first brought 5 billion, which went back. I think a few things were not yet in place. They brought back last financial year 3 billion, also went back. This time they brought another 3 billion for purposes of rehabilitating this school. Rehabilitating in this school and also make it fit in the current vision of government of socio-economic transformation.
He assured the community that the funding would be provided in the current financial year if these issues are addressed. The celebrations were held under the theme Restoration of the Legacy We All Cherish, with over 70 million shillings raised towards the 300 million shillings needed for the project. Compiled by Mariam Ishimwe and Norbert Njamhachi for Kigezi Television.